hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness. I dare to make no other claim, but only lean on Jesus' name. On Christ the solid rock I stand, all other ground is sinking sand. When darkness veils his lovely face, I rest on his unchanging grace. In every high and stormy gale, my anchor holds within the veil. On Christ the solid rock I stand, all other ground is sinking sand. His oath, his covenant and blood support me in the raging flood. When every earthly prop gives way, he then is all my hope and stay. On Christ the solid rock I stand, all other ground is sinking sand. When he shall come with trumpet sound, oh may I then in him be found, clothed in his righteousness alone, faultless to stand before his throne. On Christ the solid rock I stand, all